So, what are you making today?
Today we will show to how to make this salmon Foiru Yaki. Okay, so this is our imported salmon.
Salmon, okay.
Okay. Then after that, first we need to put this kali milk. Then namak.
Namak.
Then after that one, we will put this soya sauce. Ik,
Okay.
do, tin.
Okay.
That is the kikuman. So, Yamasa soy.
Sugar syrup.
So then after that, we will place inside this
Okay, foil.
silver foil.
बहुत मजे की लग रही है.
Okay, so we'll do inside. So then after that, we will put this mushroom. Then onion,
Mushrooms.
carapias, butter.
So you will steam this fish or what?
We will put in the teppanyaki.
Okay.
It will be steam over there.